Alright guys, today's video is a comparison between the QSC K12 versus the JBL PRX 712. Right now it's on standby mode. So we have a 1.5, the specs over here is a 1.5 millimeter, 1.75 high frequency driver and a 12-inch driver on bottom. Here we have a 1.5 high frequency driver and a 12-inch woofer on the bottom. We have a 1500 watt peak, 750 RMS, a 1000 watt RMS, 2000 watt peak box. Keep in mind this is a wooden box versus a plastic one. We're looking at SPL wise 131, 135 on the JBL. Real life experience, this does about 110, 112, about 112 dB SPL or 115 with dance music at 1 meter. Actually, we did a test today at about 112 dB and it was limiting. This guy was doing it about 110, 109. So very impressive, very close. This definitely pushes out a little bit more SPL, but it's not what it says on paper. So we're going to go back to the mixer board, Yamaha, and we're going to compare both speakers. We're going to start with the QSC first, and then we're going to go on to the JBL and back and forth. I'm going to point it out to you. Here we go. Alright, here we go. For this video comparison, I found the JBL sounding a lot nicer than the QSC. K12, keep in mind that is a plastic box, so the JBL I think wins it in this one. Nicer sounding, I think the mids and the highs are more present than the QSC. So here we go. The next one will be the DXR8 versus one of these guys.